Hi, I'm Leila, and today I'm going to show you how I tie my leader onto my braid. Now the knot that I use is called the FG knot. The reason I love this knot is because it has a slim profile, it casts really smoothly, which gives you a longer cast, and it's super strong. There's a lot of argument around whether it is the strongest knot to tie or not. All I know is that it's never ever once let me down. Now you don't need 16 hands and 3 feet to tie this knot. You can do this while you're cruising down the river. I'm going to show you how. Okay, so practically we're going to be doing this knot on the boat. So how I do it is I lodge the rod underneath my knees like so, pull the braid tight through the rod tip. Now I've got to use my mouth, so I'm going to try and count and talk my way through this. It's going to sound really weird, but I'll give it a go. So first we put the braid in the mouth, and we lay the leader over the braid in a cross, and then we pinch it between our index and thumb, like so. And then what we'll be doing is we'll be wrapping the mono under the braid on the bottom side of the fingers, and then under the braid at the top side. And we're going to keep doing that. Under, 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 under. We do that 18 times. Let's give that a go. In the mouth, over the braid, pull tight, under, back to square one, under, back to square one. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17, 18. Now we want to lock that off, and to do so, we lay the short end of our mono against the main braid line. Alright, we're already pinched, keep it pinched. And we do a half hitch. Do the half hitch. It's a fold underneath both the mono and the braid. We're going to do this 6 times over both. Under, and then you pull the braid over both, like so, and then slide that down. Now these need to sit against each other, so make sure that it's sliding down those lines together and not popping over the top of each other. I'm going to do 2, like so, let, and pull tight. Now that locks it off. You can see the crosses of the braid there just cut into the mono, which is what we want to see. Now let's finish our half hitches here. We've done 2, that's 3, slide that over, 4, 5, grip, 6 over both. Now wet both lines because the friction of braid to braid can weaken the line. Alrighty, and now we're going to do another 6 half hitches. This tapers the knot off, so it starts out thicker, ends up thinner, and that's what gives it that nice smooth cast through the guides of your rod. So 3, 4, sliding down, 5, 6. Now we tighten that again. Wrap, wrap, pull. That's nice. Now, cut off our tags. Alrighty, not too close, not too far away, about 2-3 mil away. There's that one done. Now your mono, I'm going to cut this as close as possible, and then a little extra tip is to bite the very end of your mono, and that flattens out your mono, just give it a bit of, to stop it sliding back through the knot. Like so. Now, test your knot for strength, and it won't slip. That's not going anywhere. We're good to go. Okay, so you've done your knot. Now I cannot stress enough how important it is to test your knot, because sometimes you make mistakes and that knot might fail. So test your knot before you even get fishing, and then you know you've done everything you can because the last place that you want to find out that you're not failed is with a big fish on the end of it.